Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining in. So in this session, I will be explaining you how the assignment system works in any of the hackathon or any of the boot camps you are attempting, right? So this is our platform where we have joined either of the membership, whether it's silver, gold, or diamond membership, whatever the membership you are part of. According to that, you will be able to access your course materials and in which course in which subscription, what are the content you are having. So that is something you will be finding in my website. So that is basically you go there and you have to find out here, NILADRI.in. Inside that, what are the courses available in each and every subscription and what are the benefits you have, you can go through it. But at the same time, I will explain you how the assignment system works. So once you enroll for any of the programs, okay, so if you're joining any of the hackathons, for that matter, you will be allotted a particular industry lab. Okay, so the industry labs is complementary. So you have to at a time only one industry you can pick up, or I will be allocating it to you based on the number of industries or means whatever is available in my platform. Okay, so let's say I will be going to one of the industry. Let's say I will pick up, let's say, household durable industries. Okay. So in this industry, if I go, I have given a lot of assignments under that. And one of the case studies also I have given here. So this is how a typical case studies will be looking like. And if you go further, I will take you through how this is a typical case studies. The case study name is Kitchen Off. This is a kitchen case study. And accordingly, we have a different initiatives. So HR transformation is one of the initiative, right? So the company is implementing SuccessFactors, right? This is a real-time project, and where exactly you have to submit your workbooks, you have to submit your user stories, whatever has been asked for. Okay, so there are consultant toolkit. We have these are different assignments have been given. So like because people are now executing position management, SAP SuccessFactors, Employee Central, all those workbook I have asked for to submit. And once they submit, how does it work in the backend? Just quickly I'm going to show you. Okay. So once people have submitted the assignments, so this is how the backend looks like, okay, where I'm going to basically go and review those assignments. So you can see that till now we have 254 assignments received, 100,000 people have been assigned, okay, in multiple ways. And already there are so many submissions, so many approved, so many rejected, and this is the pending review, okay. So if I go to any of the assignment, let's say I will pick up any of the assignments, you can see there are pending review, okay. It depending upon which assignment have been submitted at one point of time, okay, whether it's a consultant assignment or a client assignment, okay, I can go and which industry lab, okay, from where the assignment is belonging to, IT, utilities, healthcare, okay. So you can see a lot of different categories of assignments, okay. So as per my allocation, students from different industries, they are actually allocated to different industry lab. And from there, actually, I am trying to evaluate those assignments, right? So how does it look like? So if it is approved, you can see this is already approved, okay? And sometimes I also send it back so that people, again, they have to go back and they have to please submit again, okay? And in some cases, there are some quizzes also I'm conducting, and those also I can view in this particular page. Okay, so I will show you one of the assignment. How does it look like? So let's say this assignment I'm going to review. Okay, so I will go to the manage page, and from here, basically this is a position management workbook the student has submitted, and these are the instructions I have given. Like they have to submit via Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel or Zoho, whatever the link. Okay, so that spreadsheet they have to prepare and they have to submit it here. Okay, so this is the submitted content I can see. And if I go further, so if it is approved, I can see that it's already approved. If it is not approved, again, I have to go through that workbook. Okay, so this is the workbook I'm going to, and I'm going to review the assignments like this. Each and every object I will be looking at in the workbook. And inside the workbook, if I go further and further, I have to evaluate each and every segment of it. Okay, so I have to not only evaluate these are different sections, I will also looking at the screenshots. Okay, what are the screenshots? Actually, those students have really done those projects or not, right? That is something I have to evaluate here. Okay, so these are the different field workbooks I can see, and client options, everything. Students have done the very good work. Okay, and RBP, everything. Students have done very good job. Okay. So this is the way I evaluate each and every assignments. It's a tedious effort, but I understand that it is worth of it. This is the way we conduct our sessions. Okay. This is the way we basically people submit their assignment. I review if any comments required, if any feedback required. Okay. Definitely I have to evaluate, and I'm making a copy of it and generally for my review. And sometimes I download it, and sometimes I go back and approve it, or if any found I something wrong, then I send it back. I ask them to resubmit again. But this is the way, simplest one of the assignments. So simply I can go here and simply I will approve it. Okay. And while approving it, I can say that good job and keep it up. Something like that. If any constructive feedback I have to give, I also do that. Okay. So that is something the how automated way the entire assignment system works in my platform, in SuccessLabs Academy platform. Once it is approved, also I will be sending notifications to the students that saying that this assignment has been approved. Now they can review if any feedback involved. Okay. So I will be notifying them, so that this is how a typical assignment system works. And once it is submitted, once it is approved, it will show as an approved. Okay. So now if I go back, so now my count of assignment review, you can see, and you will be able to see that it has been decreased by 1. So previously I had 14 review, now I have 13 review. Okay. So like this is the process I need to follow. I have to go to each and every assignments. I have to verify if students have done a very good job or not. Okay. So this is an effort, I know, but it is worth of it. Okay. So I can see the student have done a Google worksheet, right? So they have, okay. So basically, but in case they forgot to send an access, so I generally ask them to give an access, but again, so this is something I ask them to give you. Okay. I will be asking to resubmit. Okay. So they have to basically share button and share with anyone. The permissions is missing. Okay. So something, this is actually I'll giving as a feedback. Okay. So this is something I have to review and I have to reject. I have to actually ask for resubmit. Okay. So this is something I have to ask that resubmit with shareable link. That is the feedback here I want to give. Okay. And that is something I will say, the comment. If you're, they have to utilize this one, anyone with the edit link. Okay, so that is something they forgot. Okay. So this kind of feedback I gave, if something, suppose something is wrong and all. Okay. But otherwise, it's okay. Follow below instructions. So this is a resubmit option. So I'm giving them so that they will be assignment wise, it may be correct, but actually the sharing option is not enabled. So I'm not able to give that, right? So this is the way I handle the assignments in the backend. So I just thought of sharing with you. How does it look like? You people have already submitted or not submitted. So that kind of revision, everything, I can see everything from here. Okay. So you can see that resubmit is requested now. Okay. So the previous version, so it was submitted on a particular date now. Okay. So now in the latest revision, again, I have to see that whether it is resubmitted or not. So they have to rework on that project. Again, they have to come back. Okay. So this is the way we handle the assignments and all. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this session. How does the assignment works in the backend? So this is how it is. And we are making more interesting day by day. So everything is nowadays hackathon based. So if you have not joined any of the hackathons, enroll for at least a silver membership. Okay. To participate in our hackathons. Okay. So the hackathons are actually quarterly things, and you can enroll by directly from here, NILADRI.in. Directly you can start with a silver membership. Okay. It will take you to a form like this, SuccessLabs Academy membership registrations, and you have to simply start with silver membership like this. Okay. And there are your QR code and other options available to register directly. Otherwise, directly from the SuccessLabs Academy website also, directly you can go for them. Okay. So if you go to school.successlabs academy, and from there, if you go directly, you can go for this as well. So directly go from here, and you will be getting an option to subscribe now. And this is a lifetime membership to start with. Okay. And you'll be having self-paced learning as well as 80, it's more than 80 hours of digital content, and it is a lifetime subscriptions. and you can pick up, okay, one module, any of these modules. So these are all complementary. It will be most important part is hackathon is included here. Okay, definitely if you are looking for in-depth sessions, so definitely you can go for gold or diamond subscription based on your module requirement. But good thing is now this was not part of the earlier silver membership. So now we have a hackathon 4 times in a year, and inner circle call happens every weekend. Okay, depending upon the number of questions and all. And you also will be getting a Platform Foundation Plus as a part of this package. And if you're looking for any kind of interview preparation and on-premise for HANA, SAP HCM, and also it is included in this package. Okay, so looking forward to start your journey, and I'm excited to welcome you to our Academy, SuccessLabs Academy community. So God bless. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.